First part of this practice is to keep your foot firm and always remember your big toe is the main player in this, all the balancing postures. Your big toe is the main player. Lift your right knee up, raise your arms over your head, and just pull the right knee as high as you possibly can. Very good. There is no need to squeeze your buttocks. There is no need to worry about any muscles. Just stay and stand on that one leg. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and kick your leg into the front and hold. 6, lift a little bit more higher to challenge your quads. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stretch your leg back and lean forward. You can put your hands on your back for better balance, or you could simply, yes, great, balance it here. 1, 2, lower your chest a bit more, lift the leg straight so we can see it behind you. 3, hands on the hips, Abhilasha, bend your knee a little bit. 2, now stand up, perform your tree, you're connecting your right foot to your left thigh. Raise both your hands overhead. Keep your chin up and hold